So now this would be, technically this is finished. This is ready to go up into the attic, but there's a couple more things that we still need. We already got 2 takeoffs here. These were the round ones. Now, because this is not round, this is flat. So what we have done, I have a couple of these. So now we're ready to put our takeoffs onto the flat duct. When you order these from Unico, they're going to come in the box like this. And as you can see, they're flat as opposed to the round one that we put here and here. Anyway, these are flat. But because this is 3 1/4 inches tall with the insulation, which makes it about 3 3/4, these are going to be too big. So what we have done, what we have learned to do, is we take these to a chop saw. And as you can see, we've cut them down. We're still leaving all 4 holes. So now I can turn around and it fits on there perfectly. So on this particular situation, what we have figured out is that we need 2 more takeoffs coming off of this side. And we know where they're going to go to the outlets that are going into either the floor of the 2nd floor or the ceiling of the 1st floor. So again, remember the rule that we had, we got a turn here. Well, guess what? We got another turn that's going to happen right here with this piece. So that's going to be gone onto there. So what I've done, so again, you want to be approximately 20 to 24 inches. I've already marked it. There's a mark right here. That is where my next takeoff is going to be. And then I'm going to do a second takeoff, which I know from my experience that when I can go from here to here, that's approximately 8 inches, which it is. So my next takeoff will go right there. So with that being said, I'm just going to mark this right now. I know that there's one there, and I got one here and here. So to make life simpler, I'm going to move this to the floor and put my takeoffs on with the 1-inch screws and drill the holes with the 1 7/8 drill bit. So now I have our takeoffs, our flat takeoffs. They've been taken to the saw, a compound saw. Most factories have a saw. Boom, boom, chop saw, cut this off. You can still see all 4 holes. I've marked the location of these. Put this one in that spot, it sticks on there. Pull this plastic off, put this in its location. Now, so I popped that one. That one's stripped. I don't know if anybody saw that. So now we know that this one's popped. So I'm going to pull it out of there. Okay. Push that down on. Come in at another angle. And there you go. Now what I did on that was I just pressed the trigger too hard. It's a variable speed trigger, and I pressed it too hard, and it just popped it right through there, and I stripped it out. Okay, these are on. Now we are ready to drill the 1 7/8 hole through the 2-inch hole. And again, because we're loose, we're not hung up in there. All I need to do, slide this, bring it, stand it up, and there's our pieces. And all the dust has come out.